So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your charging port at the bottom is just not working inside of your iPhone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one first thing I recommend doing though is making sure that within your iPhone, your charging port, there's not really any like dust or debris or anything that's like stuck inside of your particular charging port inside of your iPhone. This is one of the most important things to keep in mind here, right? In your iPhone, you're going to have to go through, grab like a toothpick or grab something like that and try prying out and try cleaning out this particular port at the bottom. So that's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing, because that is kind of one of the most important things here, is to try going through, cleaning out that port, use something that's non-abrasive, and that's kind of the main way to go and fix this problem. That's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing here. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, you might want to go through and do something temporarily. You might want to try wireless charging your iPhone if your iPhone supports it, and try seeing if you can charge up your phone just enough to update your iPhone. So if you can do that, charge up your iPhone via wireless charging, and go through inside of your iPhone settings application like this, go into your general settings, which is right here, tap into software update, and try seeing if you can software update your iPhone. For a lot of people, all you're going to have to do is just try software updating your iPhone, and that could end up fixing the problem too. That's another really easy thing you can try doing. You can also try going through and restarting your iPhone. So hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time, slide the power off, go and slide the power off this thing, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.